The Indonesian Ministry of Finance have stated that they will change the pricing scheme for the coal domestic market obligation, which will mean that the price of coal sold domestically by local coal mining companies will be set according to the price of coal in international markets. Now, previously, Indonesian coal mining companies were required to sell coal for domestic supply at $70 per metric ton, which is far lower than the international price of coal, which has jumped to $197 per metric ton recently.
The Indonesian Ministry of Finance have assured that the pricing scheme for the coal domestic market obligation will be changed. Previously, Indonesian coal mining companies were required to sell coal for domestic supply needs at a set price of $70 per metric tons. But with this new pricing scheme, the Indonesian state electricity company, PLN, will buy coal at international market prices. The difference between the $70 per ton and the international coal market prices will be paid for with subsidies by the government in a scheme dubbed the Public Survey Agency, or BLU scheme. The Coordinating Minister for Maritime and Investment Affairs, Luhut Binsar Panjaitan, affirmed that with this BLU scheme, the PLN will buy locally produced coal at international market prices. This is hoped to help solve the recent issues surrounding domestic coal supply shortages. The Director General of Budgeting at the Ministry of Finance, Isa Rahmatarwata, confirmed that the Finance Ministry are drawing up the new pricing scheme for coal. Indeed, the large disparity between the price of coal set for domestic needs and the price of coal at international markets has been touted as the reason behind the lack of commitment by Indonesian coal mining companies to supply enough coal for domestic needs. Previously, many Indonesian coal companies had failed to meet their obligation to supply enough coal for local power plants, which sparked fears of widespread power outages. This has forced the government to implement a coal export ban, which started since the 1st of January 2022.